the bride and groom to grace us with their first dance as Mr. and Mrs. Suzinski.
I promise to always live life to the fullest, as you said, and chase our loftiest dreams together. I promise to be imperfect, but to learn and grow from my mistakes with you. And last but not least, I promise to be your rock in hard times, your biggest fan in the best times, and your best friend for everything in between.
I know wherever we go, it will feel like home because you will be there. You're what makes my world spins around, and I can't wait to keep spinning with you. You are my everyday, my every moment, my every memory I want to fill my life with. One life with you will never be enough.
Together, remember always to communicate, respect, and support each other. Love is not always easy, but it's always worth it. I wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness and adventures.